I'm here with my son, my dad, and my grandfather down here at one of Mississippi's most popular crappie fishing lakes, and we're going fishing, cleaning crappie, and cooking up some good food, all while having a great time. So this is my son Dirk's first fishing trip, and unfortunately the weather got too windy and we weren't able to fish. But we were still able to take him out on his first boat ride, and that was awesome. Thankfully, my dad and grandfather chatted up a couple days before us, and this is how it should go. They were able to catch a good amount of crappie, and so we have some cleaning and cooking to do. So we are in the fishing trailer that I grew up coming to as a kid, and it's so cool to see now Dirk's is swinging on the swing and playing in the same rocks that I used to, and my brother.
Oh, yeah.
Need the water turned on?
Yeah, turn that water on. Somebody didn't.
That's blood.
Well, you didn't cut toward me.
That's a slimy thing. Nuh-uh.
It is?
Let me see.
Look at it.
I'm looking at it. What does it mean?
Maybe a figure spawn. You know what spawn means?
I can imagine.
It means a figure lay the egg. Serious. Ain't no fun about it. That's just a nature. Quit coming this way with that knife. Get over
I
here.
stood right here for 20 years. Right here.
I probably first hit you for 19. Throw it to him. Good, that's pretty.
That was so close.
You gotta get all your sticks in here.
I don't know if you've ever had fried fish and hush puppies, but I promise you won't forget it. It is so delicious, especially if you serve some slaw with it. Oh yeah, don't you tell by if you're seasoning? If you're seasoning, like if you drop that in there, that's how you can tell.
Kind of, sort of.
And I'll actually share a link to our recipe in the video description below. And if you ever do try this one day, please let me know what you think. We can get you down. We'll go out there and swing. It's hot.
Hors d'oeuvres.
I know that word now if you come back from Jamaica.
Hors d'oeuvres.
Yeah.
Beaches, but Biloxi's a quicker trip down. In the water, you don't have all the crashing waves.
Big Mama. Oh, this hurts?
10 years ago, Danny.
14 years ago.
What was 14 years?
Woo! I'll tell you how it went. Okay, we got
Guess what we get to take home? Delicious fried crappie, French fries, hush puppies. They are amazing. I love this. And actually, Meg doesn't eat much fish at all, but she loves my grandfather's. Pops gave us these seeds. And he was like, do you know what kind of seeds these are? And I was like, no, I don't know. And they're gourd seeds. And so he told me how to plant them and where to plant them. And so we're going to do that around our house, around the trees in our woods. Don't touch. It's hot. It's going to make a funnel.
You'd have to have a sharp knife, wouldn't it?
You ever seen the kids movie Inside Out? Remember when it talks about a core memory? You know, a memory that holds a lot of emotional value in your mind? This fishing trailer is one of those for me. When it was spring break during middle school and a little bit in high school, my grandparents would take us grandkids down here and we would go fishing, roast s'mores over campfires, watch some movies. We'd even ride our bikes up to the restaurant next to the lake so we can get some ice cream. You know, my grandparents taught me that really the biggest adventures can be just that. And so being here now with my son, it's pretty cool to see it come full circle.
Yeah. Good boy. That was sure nice of Miss Sharon.
It's been an amazing day. One of Pops' friends is up here, actually several of them. And he saw us and was like, I got to take a picture of you guys. There's 4 of you. 4 generations of us Wallaces. My grandfather, my dad, me, and now Dirk's. I thought that was really cool. And I'm really excited that we have a lot of leftovers.
Quit coming this way with that knife. Get over
I
yonder.
stood right here for 20 years. Right here.
I probably fussed at you for 19 of them.